everybody, it's Mo here with my freshly washed face with just water. I only use water in the morning, and I wanted to talk to you today about the Eva Naturals Skin Clearing Serum Vitamin C Plus. So I am here at my mirror, it's not at my mirror, at my window with this serum. And it has 20% vitamin C, 2% salicylic acid, 5% hyaluronic acid, 3.5% niacinamide, 2% retinol, and 10% MSM. So I refer to this as the kitchen sink serum because it has everything in it. So from their website, they say Skin Clearing Serum by Eva Naturals is an all-in-one formula that simplifies skincare. We brought together some of the most potent ingredients to address a wide range of skin concerns. Vitamin C is a star of our blend as it offers anti-aging benefits like UV protection and helps repair sun-damaged skin. We paired it with hyaluronic acid, which provides incredible hydration for smooth, younger looking skin. Because blemishes pop up at any age, we included the cleansing powers of retinol. It gives pores a deep clean, warding off breakouts and minimizing the appearance of pores. Niacinamide works to reduce redness and inflammation, while salicylic acid offers gentle exfoliation your skin will love. Who needs chemical additives and fillers when natural ingredients provide better results? At Eva Naturals, we focus on herbs, essential oils, and organic botanicals to create formulas that naturally boost collagen, erase wrinkles, and fade pigmentation. So, this is currently on sale. It has a list price of $29.95. But it's on sale for $14.95 on Eva Naturals website. The ingredients are herbal infusion. It has a lot of herbs and essential oils. So if you're sensitive to essential oils, I would just stay clear of it. Aloe, sodium ascorbyl phosphate. That's the type of vitamin C it has. MSM. Hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, retinol, olive oil squalene, caprolyl salicylic acid, rosehip seed oil, carboma, some sort of acid, tea tree oil, lavender oil, ylang ylang oil, phenexyl ethanol, and ethyl hexyl glycerin. So that's what it is. And then you can get it on Amazon as well. And if you go on Eva Naturals Facebook page, they usually have some sort of promotion going on. So it's also $14.95 on Amazon and available with Prime. And you can look it up. I'll include the links below. So I have had this for over a year, but I took a break from it when my skin was breaking out. I took a break from everything. I try to use it twice a day. I don't often end up using it twice a day. So at night, I use this, and then I use the CeraVe Night Renewing Cream, but just around like under my eyes and cheeks. And then I go all over my face with either the Hydro Boost or don't mind the tag, the kids play shop with these, either the Hydro Boost or the CeraVe in the tub. And in the morning I just go in with the serum and the Hydro Boost. I started off with just night, but then I've gone to twice a day after a while, after making sure my skin could tolerate it. The direction says wash face well before each use, wash face and then dry. Oh no, shake well, wash face and dry. Apply a small amount to your entire face. Allow to dry, follow with face moisturizer. So that's what I do. So I shook it up lots already. It has a little dropper. So I don't like the smell of this. Okay, it has the strong tea tree oil smell that smells like insecticide to me. So this is what it looks like a little cream liquid. And this is about how much I use. I used to use less, but and you can see a drop already fell on my arm, on my hand. I used to use less, but I didn't find it was doing anything. So I feel as if you have to use like at least half a dropper. But I also starting off with pretty good skin. So I just get it on there and I just pat it in, starting at the cheeks. This is the areas where I usually break out. So I've been avoiding doing anything other than moisturizer there. And then I pat it in. Try to get the nose, go under the neck a little bit. And also what I've been doing is getting the back of my hands. Gotta keep the hands looking young. So let's pat that in. And it's morning. So then I go in with my moisturizer. And then if I were going anywhere, I would then go in, just let it dry a little bit. If I was going anywhere, I'd go in with my sunscreen. But it's a pandemic. No one's going anywhere. And I have asthma. You can hear my breathing's not quite there yet. So there we go. Take my Hydro Boost gel cream. This is the sensitive and dry skin. So it's actually fragrance free. And my face loves this. Let's rub this in. So basically I find since when I use the serum consistently, after about 3 days my skin starts to look plumper, my complexion looks a little brighter, and people tend to comment on my skin after about 3 days. So if your skin isn't sensitive and you can tolerate botanicals and you don't mind them, then and you're looking for an entry serum, I didn't find I had any reaction from it, but I started like every 3rd day just to be safe, then every other day, then every day. And I tend to use it for about 3 or 4 days and then I forget about it, or I don't feel well enough to care about skincare. So this is the Eva Naturals. I recommend it with the caveat that it does have essential oils in there. So those are not the best for your face, but I have yet to find a affordable serum that does not have essential oils or fragrance. But I'll keep an eye out and see if we can get a $15 serum that claims to have vitamin C, salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, retinol, and MSM. You know? Although I do get my niacinamide from this, but I would like to have a little salicylic acid to reduce my pores. Let's see. I don't know if you can see them, but I have some pores right here. And some vitamin C to brighten up the complexion. Everybody says you should have vitamin C. And hyaluronic acid for moisturizing. And I did want to try an affordable retinol. Do I think the retinol in here does anything? I don't know. My skin is pretty resilient, other than getting eczema. So you can see the patches of like white skin here. And like here, you can kind of see the patches where the skin is like more like around the mouth, where I have like the whiter skin, that's eczema. And then lately I've developed some sort of rash in the forehead, but I don't know what it's from. It comes and goes. So that's what my skin's doing now. So if you want to try an affordable serum, you can try this. I don't think I would buy it again because I don't like the smell. And I'd like something without essential oils. We'll see. Anyway, that's my kind of sort of review on the Eva Natural Skin Clearing Serum. Let me know down below if you've tried this before, or if you know of an affordable serum that has these actives that's maybe a little better. Okay y'all, thanks for watching. Bye. If you enjoyed my video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends so that they can enjoy my content too. And I'll catch you in the next video.